Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, we are going to revision of the last video. Revision, very important for students revision. Last video what we are discussed, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. Okay, first of all, what is meant by instantaneous velocity? Basically, instantaneous velocity is also a velocity. But what is the difference between velocity and instantaneous velocity? Or understand? The main difference between velocity and instantaneous velocity, the instantaneous velocity means at particular time velocity of object. Okay, at particular time the velocity of the object is called instantaneous velocity. And also, what is meant by velocity? Okay, what is meant by velocity? What is meant by velocity? The rate of change of velocity is called rate of change of displacement. Okay, is called velocity. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. I am already told you, in case of velocity we are discussing about the displacement. So what is the formula? Velocity v equal to dx by dt, where differentiation with respect to time. So where x is displacement, that is the formula v equal to dx by dt. Next question, what is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between final point and initial point is called displacement. For suppose this is a point A, this is a point B, this is a point C. Okay, a person travel A to B, B to C. What is the, I am going to find the displacement from A to C. What is the definition of the displacement? The shortest distance between final point and initial point. This is the initial point, this is the final point. The shortest distance is A to C. This is the shortest distance from initial point to final point. That is called displacement. Are understand? Those topics we are discussed in previous video. Students, are you identify here? There is a chain link. Chain link means, first of all, displacement. You know the displacement, we can easily define the velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So there is a link between displacement to velocity. Okay, like that there is a links between each and every definition. You should must identify the difference. In this video we are discussing about another physical quantity, that is acceleration. First of all, what is meant by acceleration? How to measure the acceleration value? For example, a car travels from A to B, position A to B. This is a car travels from position A to B. The velocity of the car is 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, I understand. The velocity of the car is 5 kilometer per hour. But I am asking, what is the velocity value at position A? What is the velocity of the value at position B? At position A is the beginning of the car. Beginning means the car is at rest position. So initial velocity at point A. Okay, initial velocity at point A is denoted by letter U. Okay, is denoted by letter U. Initial velocity always represented by a letter U. That value is 0. Why? Because at position A the velocity, initial velocity of the car is 0, because the car is at rest position at position A. Now B is called final point. So at position B we can say that final velocity of the car, final velocity of car at position, at point or at position B. What is the velocity value? 5 kilometer per hour. So the velocity of the car is changes from 0 kilometer per hour to 5 kilometer per hour. Are understand? 0 kilometer per hour to 5 kilometer per hour. So here velocity changes from 0 to 5 kilometer per hour. So the velocity, the change in velocity is called acceleration. The change in velocity is called acceleration. Okay. Another definition of the acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity means change in velocity of the object is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, and also change in velocity of the object is also called as the acceleration. If the object, the velocity changes, then we can say that that object has some acceleration. Next point, acceleration is denoted by letter small a. Very very important point. Acceleration always denoted by letter small a. What about formula of the acceleration? Acceleration formula, a equal to rate of change of velocity. Velocity is denoted by letter v. Rate of change of velocity dv by dt. Differentiation of the velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. What about the SI unit? SI unit, SI unit is, what is the units of the SI unit of the velocity? What is the SI units of the velocity? Meter per second. This is in the numerator. On denominator, time, second. So meter per second square. The second is come to denominator, meter per second square, where meter second power minus 2. Okay, that is the SI unit. Next, CGS unit. CGS unit. What is the CGS unit of the velocity? Centimeter per second on the numerator. on denominator second. So centimeter per second square, and also we can written as centimeter second power minus 2. And also another formula of the acceleration is dv means change in velocity. Change in velocity means final velocity of the object v minus initial velocity of the object by time. Okay, that is also one of the formula for acceleration. Two formulas, a equal to dv by dt, rate of change of velocity. So rate of change of velocity we can written as v minus u, change in velocity final velocity minus initial velocity. Next, acceleration is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. So acceleration represents both magnitude means I am already told that magnitude is a value 5 or numerical value, magnitude and direction. Direction means x axis, y axis, or north direction, south direction, west direction, east direction, those are the. So acceleration has both magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a vector quantity. We have already told that velocity means we are discussed about the displacement. Displacement has which type of the values means positive, negative and zero values. So acceleration is also has three types of values. It has positive value, comma, negative value and zero value. Okay, three types of values. So acceleration has positive value, negative value and zero value. When we say that acceleration has positive value, acceleration has negative value, acceleration has zero value. For example, acceleration has positive value. Okay, when we say that acceleration has positive value, first of all, what is the formula for the acceleration? A equal to v minus u by t, where v is the final velocity of the object and u is the initial velocity of the object. For suppose final velocity of object is more, okay, for example 5 meter per second, okay, velocity. Initial velocity of object is less, okay. If suppose initial velocity of the object is less means I am taking the 3 meter per second, okay. At time t equal to 7 second, at time t equal to 5 second, okay. Velocity and time graph. I am going to find the a value. A value means first of all final velocity value. Final velocity of the object 5 minus initial velocity of the object means 3 meter per second. 5 minus 3 by final velocity of the object time 7 minus initial velocity of the object 5 second, okay, 7 minus 5. On numerator 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 on denominator 2. So acceleration equal to 1 meter per second square or 1 meter second power minus 2, okay. So acceleration is the positive value. When the positive value is possible, final velocity of the object is more. If the final velocity of the is more, then we achieved the acceleration value is positive. Or understand? For example, negative value, negative acceleration value. When the negative acceleration value is possible. First of all, acceleration formula v minus u by t. First of all, I am taking the final velocity of the object is less. Okay. For example, final velocity of the object is less. I am taking 3 meter per second at time t equal to 7 second. Okay. Initial velocity of the object is more. Okay. I am taking the 5 meter per second. Time t equal to 5 second. Okay. At this situation, I am going to calculate the acceleration value. So first of all, final velocity value 3 minus initial velocity value 5. Okay. Final velocity time value 7 minus initial time velocity value 2. A equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 by 2. Acceleration A equal to minus 1 meter per second square. Here acceleration value is negative. When the acceleration value is negative, final velocity of the object is less, initial velocity of the object is more. Understand? Initial velocity of the object is more. At the situation where achieving acceleration value is negative. If suppose final velocity of the object v value is more, that situation we achieved the acceleration value is positive. Are understand, students? Depending on the final velocity, initial velocity values, we can say that acceleration is whether positive or negative. Next, zero value. When we say that zero value, a equal to v minus u by t. Okay. If suppose final velocity of the object equal to initial velocity of the object equal to 3 meter per second. At this situation, the acceleration is 0. Understand? At this situation, acceleration value is 0 because initial velocity of the object and final velocity of the object both are equal, then the acceleration value is 0 because the object cannot get the acceleration. Now graph. So acceleration of the graphs. So when the positive value represent the graphical representation and negative value acceleration graphical representation and zero value of the graphical representation. For example, I am taking the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis. This is the origin. Along the x axis, I am taking the time. Along y axis, I am taking the displacement x. Okay. In that situation, I am getting the graph. For example, this is the graph. Okay. The graph is straight line. First of all, before acceleration, first of all we are going to find the velocity values. How the velocity values find from the graph? I am already told that velocity value, find the velocity value from the graph using the slope. Okay, I am taking the two slopes because I am taking the two slopes for two velocities. Okay, here this line is indicated for time, this line is indicated for displacement. Here also time t, displacement. This is the initial velocity value, this is the final velocity value. Initial velocity value is denoted by letter u, final velocity value denoted by letter v. Or observe, both are same velocity values, same slope, same velocity values. So initial velocity is equal to final velocity. I am already told that initial velocity is equal to final velocity. Then we get the acceleration value is 0 acceleration. This graph is indicated for 0 acceleration. Okay, if the object is moving constant velocity, no change in velocity, in that situation the acceleration of the object is 0. This is the graphical representation of the 0 acceleration. How to find the slope value here? Slope equal to y-axis values by x-axis values. Y-axis values means displacement values, x-axis means time values. By using this slope formula, we can easily find out the velocity value. Next graph, for example, along x-axis time, along y-axis displacement. Okay, here HOD the graph is okay like this. From the graph we are understanding velocity is gradually increases, but last graph has constant velocity. If the velocity of the object is constant, then acceleration value is 0. Here velocity is gradually increases. So here we are going to find the acceleration value. First of all, we are going to find the velocity values at 2 points. Okay, how to find the velocity? By using the slope. I am drawing the slope. Okay, this is the t value, this is the x value, this is the t value, this is the x value. This is the initial velocity of the object, this is the final velocity of the object. Initial velocity of the object 2 meter per second. Okay, final velocity of the object is 5 meter per second. Okay, at time, this is at time 3 second, this is at time 5 second. Okay, here I am going to find the acceleration value. Acceleration a equal to v minus u by t. So final velocity value is 5 minus initial velocity of the value is 2 time. Final velocity of the time is 5 minus initial velocity of the time is 3. Okay, on numerator 5 minus 2 3, on denominator 5 minus 3 2. So here 3 by 2 is acceleration value 1.5 meter per second square. Here acceleration value is positive. So the graph is positive acceleration graph. Positive acceleration graph. Okay. When you get the positive acceleration graph, if the velocity is gradually increases, then we get the graph is positive acceleration graph. When the positive value, you get the positive value, if the final velocity of the object is more, final velocity of the object is more, then we get the positive acceleration value. Positive acceleration graph will get the velocity is increases gradually. Next graph, origin O, x axis, y axis, time, displacement. Okay, the graph is like the graph. Okay, here increasing, decreasing gradually, both are happened simultaneously. At 2 points I am going to find the velocity value. Okay, here time 3 second, here time 5 second. Here velocity is initial is 5 meter per second, that is the initial velocity value. Final velocity value 3 meter per second. Okay, here I am going to find the acceleration value. Acceleration value, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Final velocity value, final velocity value is 3 meter per second, and initial velocity value 5 meter per second by time. Time means final is 5 minus initial time is 3. Okay, here on numerator 3 minus 5 minus 2, on denominator 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 2, on denominator 5 minus 3, 2, that is the negative value, this is the positive value. So here get the acceleration is minus 1 meter per second square. Here get the acceleration is negative value. When the negative acceleration is possible. Okay, if the graph has velocity is decreases gradually, last graph is increases, but this graph is decreases. When the velocity value is gradually decreases, then we get the negative acceleration value. And also negative acceleration value when the possible, if the initial velocity of the object is more, initial velocity of the object is more, then the value is acceleration value is negative. Okay, or understand, negative graph, when the negative graph is possible, when the negative value is possible. When the negative graph is possible, if the graph is velocity is gradually decreases, then that graph is negative acceleration graph. When the displacement is decreases. Okay, and also when the negative value is possible, negative value is possible when initial velocity of the object is more. Okay, in that situation negative acceleration value is possible. These are the graphs of acceleration, positive, negative and 0. Okay, I hope you are understanding very well. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.